Hello people, what's poppin'? Let's see some matches. This is gonna be a test video, if you can say, but whatever. Let's just go to Games and More, and we're gonna show some good Captain Falcon right here. So be ready for that, cause I'm the best Captain Falcon, better than Zero. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. It's not for real. I'll get blown away by Zero. For real. But let me show you a battle. I don't know. I forgot all of them, so I'm not really sure if I'm winning or losing. Let me see. Let me use this one. No, never mind. Let's go to oh yeah, this one is the best one. I can remember this one really well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we have a Yoshi right there and my Captain Falcon, of course, 10 out of 10, IGN. So right there, I know I was messing up and I was getting destroyed over here. So I was not expecting to win all of it, but now I get like really happy about it. I'm like, okay, let's just jab him off. And then I always got that tendency to side special. You see it right there? I'm really getting destroyed right there. I don't know what I was thinking about. I was just playing around, and I did it for glory. I know people in for glory doesn't play around, as you can see. But mostly I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Right now I'm getting destroyed, but you see how I make the comeback. And I get hit with the egg, surprisingly. He's like, right now he's laughing. I can just smell that laugh, if that makes sense. But then now I have rage. You see what happened. Not that type of rage, but like my rage. You see what will happen. Okay, there you go. There's my, like, okay, I gotta play right. I should stop messing around. So we go for some nairs, but we can't do it. Or whatever it's called. We try to run away. Like right now I have one stock. So you can notice right now that I'm getting destroyed really bad right now. But I'll make a comeback anyway. Hopefully. Okay, there you go. I can't talk today. That side smash, the side of the mash right now. And now look, I get really heavy with the up air. You see what's happening? Then he has that tendency to down smash out of nowhere, which was stupid. But it's okay though. We won. I told you, best Captain Falcon. I just made it from a 2 stock. So that concludes this video, and this is not that long of a video, but this is just a test, so don't expect that much from it. So see you guys next time in another video, hopefully not a test like this one. So goodbye.